People heard a sound louder than any explosion. 1883. The volcano Krakatoa erupted in Indonesia. The blast was so massive, it was heard 3,000 miles away. That's like hearing a sound in New York. All the way in San Francisco. Ships nearby had their crews' eardrums shattered instantly. Tsunamis wiped out entire coastlines, destroying over 160 villages. The shockwave circled the Earth 7 times. For months, sunsets turned a blood-red color, and the sky stayed dark for years. The eruption killed more than 36,000 people, and the sound remains the loudest ever recorded. Bet you didn't know that. Sub for more.